Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resolve this problem. If you try to shake the version of your Java on your system, if there is an issue with the part, with the environment part, you attend to encounter this problem. So let me go ahead and try it again. Let me go get my CMD, enter. Let me close this one. So let me try and shake the version of my Java on my system. So Java space dash version, enter. So you can see that the system does not recognize this command. So Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable or program or bash file. So I will show you how to fix this. It works 100%. Just follow me step by step and let's get this problem fixed. What you have to do is to go here and go type env. You will see this edit the system environment variables. Click on it. Then this window will pop out. Go click on environment variables. Here we go. So what you have to do is to let's go for system, and here go to the path variable. Click on this part, double click. Then here, as you can see, I don't have any part that is related to Java here. If you have a look, you will not see Java here. So what you have to do is to go get that Java file from here, wherever you install your Java. In my own case, I have it installed on my PC PC directory. So this PC, click on this PC, then go for local disk C, then go for, in my own case, I have it installed in this program files. So open the program files. So you have to go look for it wherever you installed yours. So in my own case, I have it somewhere, Java, as you can see, Java. And here I have different versions, but I will have to go for one of them. JDK, go look for JDK, not the other part of it, just JDK. Go look for JDK, click on that JDK, open it, then open the bin folder, click. You can see. So what you have to do here is to click on top of here. Just click here, up here, click, and then copy this, copy all of them. Right click and copy. So what you have to do now is to go back to the environment variable. Let's go back. So let me just start again. So here, go to the path, double click on the path. But before we continue with this, please, I have a request. Please. Subscribers are very, very important for we content creators. If we, put out content out there and we don't get subscribers, we get demoralized. So you guys are needed to help us, motivate us and, support us. Please, below your screen, on the right hand side, you will see that red subscribe button. Please help me click on that red subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Beside the red subscribe button, you will see that notification bell. just enable it so that whenever a new video from me is uploaded, you will be notified to come check it out. So look at what I'm talking about. Here, below your screen, you will see this red subscribe button. Please help me click on that red subscribe button, subscribe, and then like the video. Thank you in advance, and God bless. So let's continue with the video. So once we are here again, go click on the path, double click, then here go for new, click on new, and then paste that link, as you can see, and click OK. Then go and click OK, click OK. Now let's close this command prompt and open another one, cmd, then now let's shake Java space dash version, enter. It worked. As you can see, it worked. So that is how to solve this problem. And one more thing, remember, if the user is not an administrator, to get this work, you have to open CMD as an administrator. So you go for CMD, then right click, then run as administrator. Run as administrator is very, very important. Yes. Then we can now shake again Java space dash version, enter. It works. So remember, if the current user of the system is not an administrator, you have to go right click and run as administrator. With that, you are good to go. Thank you. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to support me, to motivate me for more videos. Thank you, and God bless.